Specialty Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. If you've been in the market for one of these, definitely pay close attention on this one and check out the still pictures. 2008 Bullitt Mustang, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 3,800 miles. Yes, 3,800 miles. Of course, Highland green metallic. 4.6 liter, single overhead cam, V8, underneath the hood. Of course, it's got some of the tweaking from Ford to make it a special Bullitt, and we'll get into some of those things as I walk around it. First, just want to let you know, interested in this car, call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out all the pics. Phone number, 507-386-1726. And yes, as you notice, front grille without the running horse or pony on it. It's the way it's supposed to be. That was designed for the Bullitt itself. And this car, it's what you'd expect with 3,800 and some odd miles. As you can see, paint, the reflection coming off the ceiling in the building here, that Highland green metallic really pops on this car. The special Bullitt wheels with the tri-bar Mustang logo. Up and down this car. Very, very clean. You notice passenger side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Well taken care of. And these have become more and more popular. The ones we do get in sell quickly. Mentioned the 4.6 liter underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. It's going to have 373 rear end in it. There's also, when we pop the hood, there's also going to be some things I want you to take a look at. Cold air intake is underneath there. The Bullitts, they tuned them, changed some things a little bit. They bumped them 15 horsepower, increased throttle response, fun cars to drive. Actually tuned exhaust, and that's to give it that unique Bullitt Mustang sound. Once again, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable up to 10 years. We can also assist with transportation. We do consider trades, and financing is available. Another specialty thing on the Bullitt, as you can see back here, be the satin finished crosshair medallion on the rear deck. You can also see no spoiler. Exhaust tips, 3.5 inches, stainless. Also Bullitt specific things. Going to be more when we get to the interior. I also want to mention there is a battery charger over there on the floor with a little folder that we will send with this car to the next owner. And there's a pigtail on the battery already set up for a trickle charger battery tender. Check out the still pictures underneath the hood. The underside of this car looks as good as the top. Check those still pictures out. Trunk, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, that phone number, 507-386-1726. And you can see again the reflection, the shine on the driver's side. I do want to mention, these are the original BF Goodrich comp, or I guess it'd be G-Force on these TAs. Now, YouTube Tire Age Police, yes, we understand these tires are old. Before you're going to drive it any too far, you might want to replace them. We're going to leave that up to the next owner to decide what he wants to do with it. He might want to keep the original tires on it and keep this as a collector car. He might want to save those tires and put some Michelin or Pirellis or more BF Goodrich on there. We're going to leave it up to them. How does that sound? So yes, we do realize those tires are older. They're the original tires on the car. Door cards or door panels, nice shape. Lots of times you see those starting to sag or droop. If you're familiar with this vintage of Mustang, the S197s, I'm going to pull that key a second. You're also going to notice seats on this, GT500 styled seats, as well as the GT500 styled steering wheel with the Bullitt emblem / logo in the center of it. Also Bullitt specific aluminum shift knob. You're also going to see the dash. If you take a look around the gauges there a little bit and then across the dash, gunmetal engine turned pattern dash, all Bullitt specifics. This is going to have the shaker 500 system in it, I believe. We're going to hop in there, start it up, let's hear it run, check out the engine bay, wrap this video up. You're also going to notice special font on the numerals. You're also going to see over here the crosshair again. And if you can see that, there's your exact miles. 3,884. No check engine lights on, service engine lights, anything like that. There's that Shaker 500 stereo system. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Top of the dash, looking good. Show you that seat a little closer. I didn't want to go over that real close, but look at that. I mean, there is hardly anywhere on that at all. This car is what you'd expect with the miles on it. Wish I'd ruined my garage for this one. There's that exhaust note. And obviously under power going down the road. It opens up. Should have a little deeper bark to it. Fun cars to drive, no doubt about that. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I'm gonna pop this hood. Let's check out this engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. Take a look at this hood liner. I think there's a spot on it. Wow, this car's obviously never been driven in inclement weather. There's that cold air intake I mentioned. Now up on the strut tower brace, these also have a sequential number. This is one of the later ones built, 5,662. So 5662 is the number that you're gonna see on that Bullitt tag. And that's actually out of 5808 that were produced in 2008. It's one of the later built ones. Look at how clean this engine compartment is. There's that pigtail I mentioned for the trickle charger. So, just gonna plug the trickle charger into that. When you want to drive it, unplug it, it's always on there. It's that 4.6 liter, single overhead cam, paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. And of course, with a little bit of the specialty Bullitt tune, cold air intake, and exhaust. This one's a beauty, folks. 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt Edition. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Remember, just a little over 3,800 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and the description is going to take you right there. Remember, this one comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. And we also consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt in green. This is a 5-speed. There is a little bit of snow left on the ground in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. If there's any flickering on the dash, that is our camera's frame rate, not the car. Good power in this car. Very fun to drive with this 5-speed. Not getting any shake or jiggle, and it goes straight down the road. Very nice interior. Feels like leather on the wheel and on the seat. Comfortable. pressure is a little over half, temperature is a little under half, and our fuel gauge is actually reading just about half. Tachometer is working well. Radio works good. This says it only has 3,882 miles on it. It feels like a brand new car.